Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to explain about lab number 9. The title of lab number 9 is to describe the syntax of 8086 and 8088 CPU assembly language using emulator 8086 software tool. There are two main objectives of today's lab. First one is to learn about the syntax of assembly language, and secondly to learn about the software which is being used to simulate the assembly language code, that is basically emulator 8086. So first of all, I'm going to explain about the assembly language syntax. Basically the assembly language syntax has two main parts. One is the operation and second one is the operand. Operation is the term, is basically 2, 3 or 4 letter English word which is explaining that what operation this command is going to perform. And then there are two operands, and the operands are basically there can be no operand, there can be one operand, and there can be two operand at maximum. So basically the command as per the nature of the command, the number of operand can vary. For example, there are few commands in which there is no operand, and there are few commands in which we have only one operand, and there are some commands which has two operands. If there are two operands, that will be separated by a comma, and the first operand is your destination, and the second one is considered as your source. For example, here you can see a command that written as move ax 5498. In this command, mov word is basically the operation. This is the short form of move. This command is basically used to move the data from source to destination. Anyhow, I'll explain the commands one by one in detail. Just here I'm going to explain the syntax. So first there will be a keyword of 2, 3 or 4 letter keyword. Then there is a space, and then we have the operands. Here in that case there are two operands. First one is ax, and the second operand is separated with a comma, and then there is a second operand. The first operand is also known as destination operand, and the second one is also known as source operand. So basically this again, if there is a command which has only one operand, then the nature of the operand, whether it is a source or destination, it depends upon the nature of the command. And if there is no operand, then there is no consideration of source or destination. And then if you have two operands, then the first one will be your destination and second one will be your source.